Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at the Neonlynx from emuca. It's a LED lighting fixture fully protected in silicone with an IP65 rating that allows us to install it in damp places, have it visible, or even hide it in a small recess directly without any kind of diffuser. It's designed to create curves or straight lines, as you can see, offering great versatility for designing different spaces. Alright, once you've ordered the Neonlynx, it will arrive in this packaging. All you have to do is open it. As you can see, it's sealed. It will come finished like this. Once we take it out and unpack it from inside, this is what we'll have. With F, notice that it's completely flexible. It's prepared at both ends so you can connect it. Therefore, this will allow us to cut it at the points you see marked here. See, marked right there. Once it's cut, which would be this case, okay? Keep in mind that when you cut it, those points we saw are these points, alright? Once we've cut it, along with a 24-volt transformer, remember that the Neonlynx uses 24 volts. We could do, for example, what I have done here. Notice that what I've done is simply use the 24-volt transformer I mentioned. We've connected it, okay? Remember, one side had a mini LED and the transformer connected and hooked up to the light. Simply put, what I've done is, we put it on a surface, okay? And just a small landing, remember, 4 millimeters wide by 11 deep. We just put it inside. We put it inside. Look at the shape we have made. We plug it into the power. And voila! Well, finally, I'll leave you with the Neonlynx features and a small assembly template. See you in the next videos. See you soon.